Hello everyone, Kitty Foss here, your storytelling astrologist, reader of the stars for the 7-7 portal. Sevens, lucky sevens. It is all about relationship energy, and as Uranus moved into Gemini, its placement where we draw lines, where we really look at who we are, what we are, how we think about each other. So Uranus was in Taurus since 2018. And Uranus in Taurus was about respecting other people and understanding, respecting how they see and view, which is why you've been seeing so many people regale against that idea that we can be different, I can accept it. And there is a push because of the suppression habits we've kind of gotten into that if I accept what you feel and respect that, then you're telling me how I should be. And that has to do with, that's a them problem kind of energy, but that is human. And that's what Uranus and Gemini is about, our human journey. What does it mean to be human? How do we think about humans? How do we react with the technologies and what we develop for other humans? How we use them in conjunction with other human beings. Uranus is the ruler of Aquarian energy, the we, the collective we, how we think together. And so today, there's a heart unite in a common vision. Now, Uranus is all about advancements of technologies for the we. And again, what does it mean to be human as AI develops its own sentience? What is this going to mean for us? How are we going to relate to one another? How are we going to look at those ideals and evolve? And I really am myself letting go of that this is just the way humans are, and all of the, yes, we have cycles, but we can learn, we can evolve, and we have. It doesn't mean it's a straight line. It's trust the spiral. And so we're in that spiral now. July promises twists and turns that you cannot even imagine. So today, our moon is in truce. So as we looked at that movement of Uranus into Gemini, it was about intuitive truths that step forth. It's at 29 degrees of Sagittarius. It will not move void, of course, till 5:29 this afternoon when your own moon's energy steps up. And at 29 degrees, we are resetting the karma around truths. Our truths, what are truths? We're able to activate today with that moon in that 29th degree, the vision, that Scorpion energy of Pluto and Aquarius, of what it is we need to change, transform, dive, find the light in the darkness. We're able to do that today if we put our minds to it. Again, hearts unite in a common vision. What is human? What are we becoming? That moon is also working in the background with our Mercury in Leo, and it's asking us to personally look at our truths and work on how we experience things and call to ourselves those mirrors that show us what it is we need to do. The Schumann resonance has been off the charts. Many of us are physically feeling it. There's a reason the magnetic force of the earth is being shaken. It is helping your own aura evolve. Meanwhile, we have our Venus energy working with that same Scorpion Pluto energy in Aquarius. So this Venus energy that's in Gemini, about our experience, about how we experience beauty, harmony, all of those things, is working with that vision. Pay attention to what comes forward today. Big discussion I had with a group today about shortcomings. Shortcomings are just like missing the mark. What is it I want to come to that at this point I'm working on my journey to get there? And then as that moon, it's not even about expanding today, by the way. That moon is not working with truths of expansion and nurturing expansion. It really is working separately about truths, separately with what am I nurturing. So remember that today. There is also right as the moon moves void of course at 5:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there is a discernment that's asked with your will and your own moon. Where do I take the action? Where do I move forward with that action, with that energy? So pay attention as to what steps forward for you today, what steps forward for all of us. Remember, you are just like our Mars placement today in Virgo, in that discernment around how do I move forward intuitively, how do I listen to myself. Pay attention as the afternoon comes to those little pieces that help you make the choice of where your will steps forward. Remember, you are the person your soul values and sees you as being. Have an amazing day today. Namaste.